The HORL rolling knife sharpeners have become incredibly popular, and for good reason. These sharpeners are easy to use, work great, and look great. The new HORL 3 models come with some impressive upgrades. One of the main differences is that the new HORL 3s are a bit wider in the middle for better grip. They also have an updated wood engraving and more defined edges on the angle supports. But apart from these design changes, HORL has made some substantial practical upgrades as well. Take the quick lock system for example. This lets you swap out sharpening discs with just a short simple twist, making changing sharpening discs much easier and faster. The new grip pads offer up to 70% more grip thanks to ultra strong magnets. Also, the diamond sharpening discs have had an upgrade. The new block diamond coating on the discs improves abrasion by 80%, creating a smoother, more effective grind. The HORL 3 Cruise is a sustainable model made from recycled ocean plastic. With both 15 and 20 degree sharpening angles, it's great for European and Japanese knives alike. It features a diamond disc for sharpening and a permanent stainless steel honing disc, keeping your blades razor sharp. For those who love the classic look of the wooden HORL models, the HORL 3 is also available in natural oak or walnut. The HORL 3 Oak and Walnut models have the same two sharpening angles as the Cruise, and are now equipped with the HORL Block Diamonds sharpening discs for a more effective and uniform result. The other side features a ceramic honing disc that allows for fine-tuning the blade's edge, making your knives incredibly sharp with ease. The quick lock system makes swapping discs fast and easy. And various grit options let you customize your sharpening from quick touch-ups to full restorations. Sharpening discs with different grit sizes are available separately. The aluminum HORL 3 Pro has the same features as the Oak and Walnut models, but what makes the HORL 3 Pro truly unique is its adjustable magnetic angle support, offering 6 different sharpening angles. These sharpening angles are 10, 13, 15, 20, 22 and 25 degrees. This adjustability means you can sharpen everything from delicate fillet knives to robust fixed blades, expanding the range of knives you can sharpen with the HORL. The HORL 3 Pro also includes an upgraded planetary gear system, rotating the sharpening discs 3 times faster than you roll the sharpener, for even faster results. With enhanced drive components and a lighter flywheel, it offers smoother, more comfortable performance. With these new upgraded models, HORL shows that they are still the king of rolling knife sharpeners. The HORL 3 series has something for everyone. From the eco-friendly choice of the HORL 3 Cruise to the high-performance HORL 3 Pro. Whether you're sharpening a chef's knife or a pocket knife, the HORL 3 makes it simple, effective and enjoyable. You can get your HORL 3 now at knivesandtools.com.